Okay, so we are moving on to phases of the moon. The first step, we need to get down what these phases look like, what their names are, and what the phases look like. So your first assignment for today is to create these phases of the moon flashcards. You need 8 flashcards, one for each of these. And you need to draw out on the flashcard each phase of the moon, like draw what it looks like and put its name underneath it. Do not put it on the back of the flashcard because we are going to be using the back of the flashcard for other information. But I don't want you to print it out. I want you to actually sit down and draw it because I want you to feel when you're drawing what those phases look like. I want you to know that when you're looking at a waxing crescent, this lit part of the moon is on the right-hand side. And then when we get down to a waning crescent, the lit part of the moon is on the left-hand side. So I really feel like you need to sit down and draw these out. So index cards would be perfect, but I know in my own house I don't have any index cards. If you can just get sheets of paper, those will work. I'd prefer like a little bit thicker paper because I'm hoping we can make these into little flip books so you can actually watch the phases of the moon, but that step comes later. So the first thing I need you to do is just to draw out these phases of the moon and have their title underneath them. And then we'll continue working with them. And the back of them should stay blank for now. All right, that's your assignment for Monday. You do have a vocab quiz on Wednesday over weeks 25, 26, and 27, and that's why I did not assign vocab for this week because you had a quiz coming up. There will be vocab again on Wednesday, a new set. All right, have fun with this.